Hello guys. Welcome to our channel, Blue Lollipop English for Kids. In this class, we'll learn about marine animals in English. Don't forget subscribe to our channel and give your thumb up if you enjoy our videos. Let's go. The first one is the fish. Repeat. Fish. The fish is swimming in the sea. The next one is jellyfish. Repeat. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are very old animals. They have been swimming in the ocean for millions of years. This is a squid. Repeat. Squid. Squids can be very long. This animal is called octopus. Repeat octopus. Octopuses have 8 tentacles. This is a turtle. Repeat. Turtle. Turtles are very peaceful animals. This is a starfish. Repeat. Starfish. Starfish inhabit all the seas in the world. This is a seahorse. Repeat. Seahorse. Seahorses are mostly found in tropical seas. This animal is called oyster. Repeat. Oyster. Can you find pearls inside an oyster? This is a lobster. Repeat. Lobster. Lobster is a very expensive food. This is a shrimp. Repeat. Shrimp. Shrimp are animals that live in shoals. This is a nautilus. Repeat. Nautilus. Nautiluses have been in the oceans for many millions of years. This is a crab. Repeat. Crab. The crab has 2 powerful claws. This is a sea slug. Repeat. Sea slug. Sea slugs can be poisonous animals. This is a shark. Repeat. Shark. The shark is one of the most feared animals in the seas. This is a whale. Repeat. Whale. Whales are the biggest animals in the world. This animal is called orca whale. Repeat. Orca whale. Orca whale mainly hunts seals. This is a seal. Repeat. Seal. The seals have to be fast to escape the orca's attack. This is a walrus. Repeat. Walrus. Walruses live in icy seas. This is a dolphin. Repeat. Dolphin. Dolphins are known for their intelligence. This is a manta ray. Repeat. Manta ray. Manta rays can inhabit the seas and rivers. Now we have a test for you. Are you able to remember the names of the animals we learned today? What's the name of this animal? This is a squid. What's the name of this animal? This is a seahorse. What's the name of this animal? This is a shark. What's the name of this animal? This is a shrimp. What's the name of this animal? This is a starfish. What's the name of this animal? This is an octopus. What's the name of this animal? This is a seal. Our class ends here. We hope you enjoyed. Bye.